Hey campers, this is Blaine here at Funtown RV Cleburne. Today we're going to be going over the Wildwood 26 ice. We also got a special promo going on right now for America's 250th birthday. $250 down with $250 payment a month, and you won't have your first payment for 250 days. Come out to Funtown RV Cleburne and take part of this special we got going on till July 4th. Right here it's going to be 30 feet. So you're still gonna fit in all your state parks, everything like that. Going inside of this unit, we're gonna have a huge open floor plan. You got your one slide out right here with your booth and your couch. It also has a removable sectional. So if you want, you can move this, twist it to this left side, and that's gonna give you a full L-shaped couch configuration. Just like that. Yep. And then on this back side over here, we're gonna have our extended size bunks. So even if you have a teenager or something like that, they're still gonna be able to come camping with you right here. Then we have our standalone shower, toilet, and our sink right here. Tankless hot water heater on here. You're gonna control everything through right there. That's where you set your water temperature, everything like that. We got a 3-burner stove with a convection oven microwave right here. Big farm style sink. We got our 12-volt refrigerator right here. Put all your drinks, food, everything for the week. And this is still gonna run when you're plugged into your truck, so you don't have to worry about anything expiring or anything like that. Right here, we already have the mount for the TV. This mount will go in the back of your TV, where all you have to do is take it off this mount and you can put it on the one outside. Opening up, we have our pantry, huge area, put all the snacks, cereal, canned goods, anything you might need. For more storage, for other stuff you might need, you'll also have these little totes right there under the couch and under both seats of the dinette. Moving on to the bedroom, we have our versatile king size mattress in here that's gonna go up and down. You're gonna have closet space all along this side with a laundry hamper, overhead storage on both sides right here. You have shelves on both sides of the bed with a USB and a USB-C connection. Moving on right here, we're gonna have an extra closet with hanging space, so you still have starch jeans, stuff like that. You lift this up, you'll have more storage with totes and then a way to get into your pass-through storage on the outside of the camper. And if you want to learn more about this RV, go to funtownrv.com and reach out to one of your local stores or anything like that. Right here, we already have the mount for the TV. This mount will go in the back of your TV, where all you have to do is take it off this mount